We must all have someone to listen to us, to understand what we feel.
Albert.
For to carry me.
Well, I believe we have some power over who we love. It isn't something that just happens to a person.
I think the poets might disagree.
Love is coming for to carry me.
I believe that remains to be seen.
I don't know anything. Send the rain, send my love, send my love.
I would never suppose that true constancy is known only by women.
Send the rain,
But the one claim I shall make for my own sex
my love,
is that we love longest
my love
when all hope is gone.
to everyone.
But you like her, Albert. I know that you do, and she likes you too.
Don't marry him.
Why?
Why? You know why.
No. No.
Yes.
No. Lori. What? You're being mean. Stop it. Stop it. I have been second to Joe my whole life in everything. And I will not be the person you settle for just because you cannot have her. I won't do it. Not when I've spent my entire life loving you.
That Lawrence boy was just here.
When will he be back?
He's gone to London. Why? What do you need to discuss with him?
I imagined myself indifferent to her when I was only angry and resentful. Too late, I began to understand myself and her. I've never loved any of her.
Send the rain, send my love, send my love to everyone.
And I cannot continue acting as if I do not love you. Because I do. I love all of you.
Send my love to everyone. Send the rain, send my love, send my love to everyone. Send the rain, send my love, send my love to everyone.
I don't want sunbursts or marble halls. I just want you.